Hey guys, we're just here for our community camp down through Colac and Warrnambool. First stop is a tour of the ice cream factory of the Bulla Innovation Centre. So we can't wait to go in and see the ice creams and then see everyone down at camp. Woo!
It's been fantastic to have the Cats AFLW team here today. You know, we often get to see them on their field performing, so it's been great to have them on our field performing here today in Colac in regional Victoria. Now, we've been part of regional Victorian communities for over a century, so to be part of a program that supports participation and connection with young people in the community is really important to us. Now, what started as a partnership with Geelong and their AFLW team has grown into a partnership far greater in terms of supporting the communities that our employees live in and the communities we source our milk from.
This is your time, this is our time, this is your place. So while I do the Welcome to the Country, I want you to really take into account where your footprints lie, where you're staying. What does that landscape, what's the meaning of that landscape? What's over here? I want you to really take into account what Warrnambool's all about. And what I want you guys to experience is that same connection. There's nothing much beautiful than being connected to the country, and here we are. It's not just about AFLW, it's not about AFL men, it's not about the club in a sense, it's about also the community. And I can guarantee you, Geelong Footy Club is the best connected community club anywhere in the AFL. I know that for a fact because of the relationship I have with Jess and those around, but also my experiences that I've had with the club. And I know that Warrnambool is a home base for the footy club.
For us as a program, there are more opportunities we can have to continue to learn more about what it is that you all really go through and what you have been through, and continue to educate and advocate and, like you said, continue to push for the fact that enough is enough. So,
yeah.
But thank you very much for being down here today, and for welcoming us to your beautiful country. Appreciate it a lot. Thank you, Joey. You're good, man. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, we love coming down to Warrnambool. Such a good community. They really embrace when we come down here, and it's so nice to be amongst all the girls and see such smiles on their faces. Ready? Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Stop. Up. All right, quick, let's go, let's go. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Stop.
8, 9, 10. Keep it. Well done. I think we've got it in the bag, don't you? I reckon.
It was absolutely amazing to be here tonight amongst all the girls, you know, to see the development across the codes and the younger girls here tonight, and I think it's really important. I think us as players enjoyed it a lot, and I'm sure the girls enjoyed it as well, so it's a great start to spread our wings up here and get young girls involved.
We focused a lot on touch and just fundamentals of footy, and yeah, it was a really good session. Loved it so much. It's so good to see the girls come out because it just makes it so much more real. That the players, they're so friendly, and it's such a good environment to be in.
Do you play local footy? Good kick. You do? You play for Karoy? Yes. Should we do some goal kicking? And then you girls can show me your celebrations. Yeah? Lingy, you're next. Do your cartwheel. Whoa! Whoa! Ooh! More zone. Celebrate! Can you 6-7? 6-7! Whoa! Goal! Yeah! Wow! Oh! Yay! Nice! Yeah! Yeah, that's Coles.